Participant type is the categorical label or grouping that corresponds to our sample. In single sample articles such as the one that we are coding for these videos, we only have one sample, and that is of Christian Asian American college students. So we need to come and look at this list of participant types and decide which one this falls into. The available options for participant type are mother, mother figures, father, father figures, youth child, a teacher or coach to a youth child, an adult in a clinical treatment in a mental health setting, a practicing mental health provider, a mental health student or trainee, mental health supervisor, other service provider that is not a mental health provider or is not a teacher or coach, general adult research participant type. Some of the listed examples are college student, internet user, shelter resident, neighbors, diabetes patient, etc. Or a study can have a mixed participant type. A sample will be described as more than one of these categories above, and we will have to indicate which in this box. Or we can have other participant type if it does not fit into any of these categories. For a religious coping article, we have an adult research participant population. We don't have any youth or children in the sample. And we already saw that college student is a subset of adult. So you can type in undergraduate student, college student, university student. They all work. If we do have multiple samples in our study, we're not going to look at the majority sample of the multiple samples or the one that's listed first in the research study, but we want to input information for the first one that would be listed in this list in Qualtrics in these options. So for example, if we had a sample of children and a sample of their teachers, even if, let's say, 200 teachers were interviewed and only 5 children, we would still put youth and child first because it comes first in this list in Qualtrics, not in the actual article. And this is important because we are going to be reporting information on the first listed group of this list into the rest of the survey.